Someone built a tool to replace your entire software engineering team with AI agents. We're talking product manager, project manager, art direction, and of course, software engineering. They hooked me up with the top tier of their plan. I loved it, and I decided to demo it today for you. I'm going to show you what it actually does, how it works, and who this is going to be useful for. If you're a freelancer or a solo founder watching this, pay attention because this is going to be a force multiplier over the next few months. The tool is called Adams. It was called MetaGPT X or MGX until the rebrand. Same team, different name. The pitch is compelling. It's something they're calling Vibe Business, which is an extension of Vibe coding. The idea is that you don't just generate code. You generate the entire app and the infrastructure it runs on. We're talking the design, the code, the backend, the authentication, and even payments with Stripe. Your virtual team is comprised of a number of different specialized agents, product manager, an ads agent, an SEO agent, of course, a team of coders. They intelligently hand off tasks from one to another and complete the entire build for you end to end. And if this sounds like Replit Agent, Bolt, or Lovable, it is in that family. What's different here is Adams.dev is trying to own the backend as well. We're talking auth, database, payments. These are all the very unpleasant, tedious, often manual jobs that you have to do when vibe coding an app. I was skeptical. I'm still skeptical of parts of it, but I ran it twice. Let's hop into a couple of examples. So for the first build, I asked it for a subscription tool for newsletter writers, someone like me. I need a way to let readers pay me directly, bypass Substack fees, pull my list with me if I ever need to migrate. I typed that as a prompt. That's it. No spec, no wireframe. I originally punched in my rough ideas to Claude. I had it refine it into a more comprehensive spec, copy pasted that in, and just told Adams.dev to get to work on it. You could see here's my paste text.txt file. I just said use it as a spec and build it. And then a lot happened. You can see Alex, the engineer, Mike, the team leader, Emma, the product manager, all weighing in and going back and forth as a real team would in real life. This is the stuff I know I don't think of as an engineer a lot of the time when vibe coding, like research on Substack pricing and fees for writers last year, like a competitor analysis here to determine what are we going to charge for this, what features do we need, all super helpful and in the chat logs if I want to scroll back and see it. There's also a docs section of your file browser here where you can see the original PRD, system design.md, positioning brief, anything you want, more information than a human would ever want, but it's very helpful when handing this off between AI agents to have all of this context on tap for them. Now, I tried this out in a couple of different modes. They have a new feature they just released called race mode, where you can actually have this go in 4 different language models at the same time. So you can choose, I want to see it in Opus 4.7, GPT 5.5, Minimax, ZAI, what have you, across 4 different panes, and you can see whose is shaping up the best. So that's originally how I started this, and then I found that Opus 4.6, somewhat unsurprisingly, was doing the heavy lifting and decided to continue on with that thread. So it's a nice way to get an early impression about what the diff is between the models. Now, the company claims that that's how they get 45% better results at an 80% lower cost by having multiple models running at the same time. My interpretation is it's how they hide hallucinations. If one version breaks or reaches off on a pretty lengthy diff compared to the other ones, you pick a different one. It's smart product design, whatever you think of the marketing. This helped out with one of the most difficult things that I often experience when building an app on a weekend, which is connecting to Stripe. Connecting to Stripe is a bit of a hassle. You have to do a couple of things in the UI. I never remember where they are. You have to do a couple of things in your app. There's a number of different permissions you need to unlock. It's a huge hassle every time. I always forget. And it's never pleasant, fun, creative work. So this wires up Stripe Connect for you directly. It tells you exactly like, hey, here's what I need to connect to your Stripe account. You log in through OAuth, and then it is off to the races. And so by the time this was done, we actually got a pretty good application out of this. The styling leaves a little to be desired, but the app is fully functional. There's a writer login. You can start as a subscriber. You can start for free with connecting Stripe. And it has sort of your generic marketing lingo on the front end of the page. So is this production grade for a real SaaS company today? Like, no, absolutely not. But how long would it have taken you to wire up Stripe, Supabase for the database, all of these other things with all of the permissions and other requisite tasks you have to do that are always a freaking hassle, even with Claude Code or something like that? It takes a long time. So the real value here, again, is not the UI. It's not having a production ready, mission critical SaaS site. This goes 0 to 1 faster than anything I've seen before. I wanted to dig a bit further into the multi-agent workflow. I hinted at it on the last project, but wanted to see it for something a little bit simpler so I could tease out what is the multi-agent goodness getting us in this versus what is my prompt getting us here. So I gave it another prompt, a little bit simpler this time. I wanted a jobs board that was searchable and narrowable by region, by pay, those sorts of things for software engineering jobs. And so I handed off the prompt. Again, I ran this through Claude at first to get a bit more of an extensive prompt to tease out some of the fuzzier bits there. Pasted it in. It asked me a couple of questions for what theme I wanted, what I wanted the hero to look like, which was super helpful for guiding my vision. We have Alex, the engineer, Mike, the team leader. And you can see here, one of the really helpful things with this is it's not just egregious use of multi-agent. That's what I was concerned of, is this is just going to burn through credits. It's going to spin up 7 to 10 agents every time. But you can see here, Mike, the team leader, I asked it about Google Ads campaign, and it says you need to publish your app first. Adrian, the ads specialist, will become available once the app is published. So it's not just tossing away credits, trying to throw every sub-agent in the world at the problem. It's using it with some level of discretion and preventing you from making dumb mistakes, which is awesome. So this job site came out looking really good. You can see junior jobs paying $250K. Yeah, you wish in this economy, mid-level jobs paying $200K plus. And we have a whole listing here of different companies hiring for those types of roles. The styling could use a little tweaking, but it's pretty nice out of the box style. It looks like a late 1800s print publication. And the site works. It's snappy. It's responsive. It's a little rough around the edges, but remember, you can see in the chat here, I one-shotted this, okay? I gave it the prompt. I let it build the whole thing end to end. You can even post a job here. I did not do anything else. This is all autonomously handled by Adams.dev end to end. So here's where I want to be straight with you, because you're here because this is the Dr. Josh C. Simmons show. We ask the hard questions. We don't just do commercials. I'm honored to have a free plan for this so I can vet this and test out the tool. Had a lot of fun doing it, and I'm going to continue to use it in a couple of my personal projects. Is this the fastest way to deploy an app into production with a Supabase backend, with Stripe all wired up and good to go, ready to accept payments? Yes, absolutely and unequivocally, in my experience, based on my extensive experience doing side projects in Claude Code and ChatGPT. This is the fastest way. Is it a replacement for a real engineering team? No, not by a long shot, for a myriad of reasons. And I don't really think they're claiming to be. If you're like me, you're working on side projects occasionally, you get a good idea for something, you spin it up. Claude Code, ChatGPT, those sorts of things make the UI really easy. Really easy. Spin it up, get a good web app going, maybe even some backend infrastructure there through different tooling. But the huge pain, and the thing that I hate wasting time on the weekends and in my evenings when I'm vibe coding and building projects, is wiring up Clerk for authentication, Supabase for my database, Stripe with all of the permissions I mentioned. It's a huge hassle. And Adams.dev takes care of that. And if it only did one thing, if it would just wire up those services, I still think it would be a worthwhile tool to use, because I hate spending my weekend time and evening time on projects doing that sort of thing. So it automates a very boring task that is essential for many web apps that you're going to build. So if you're a builder in your spare time, this is super helpful. If you're a tech employee wanting to get an edge on the other engineers, this is a great tool to do it with. And if you're a freelancer, you better be using this, because other people are going to be using tools like this, like Adams.dev, to move faster, to get their payments set up faster, to get their databases set up faster, and you're not going to be able to keep up. So urge you to check it out. The link to Adams.dev is in the description. That's a referral link. So if you sign up, it supports the channel. So please make sure to use that link. If you want more of this, the newsletter is down there in the video description. That's where the real writing lives. But it looks like the clouds are rolling in and it's about to rain.